I'm Graham Kirk. I run Mansfield Garage Doors, a local business here in Mansfield, Nottinghamshire. We supply and fit garage doors and gate systems around the county. We've been doing this for 50 years now and I love it. I love the people. We love fitting products that people enjoy and want for their own properties. We've got a wide range of doors. We are a family-run business. We do take care of our customers. We'd love you to come and see our products, and all our fitters are factory trained. You can be assured the product will be fitted correctly and it will have a guarantee. And if there is any problem in the future, we will be here to resolve it. We are local to you, the end user. Each job is based on its own merit, on its own personal survey, and we will give you the best advice based on what we find at survey. Our main supplier is a European supplier, Holman UK. They have plants around the world and they produce some excellent products. We have a team of 3 vehicles out on the road with 6 engineers and many employees that have been with us many years.